Just a week after it was revealed that the police have killed 20 more people so far this year than they did last year, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says it's time cops move away from an over-reliance on the use of force to maintain law and order.
The Prime Minister was speaking at a use of force conference involving the Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, as well as international law enforcement partners. TVJ's Herman Green reports.
Wednesday morning's conference marked the beginning of a renewed focus on ways the Jamaica Constabulary Force and INDECOM can address the concern of excessive use of force. This comes on the heels of an INDECOM report earlier in the week of a 45% increase in the number of fatalities at the hands of the police this year compared to 2016. U.S. Ambassador to Jamaica, Louis Moreno, noted that the U.S. has the same challenges.
It really is something that we struggle with on a daily basis. So we're not here to tell you how to do things. We're telling you how some things that we've worked with seem to work and some things work better than others. And there may be experiences that we can learn from when we're doing that here. So this is a kind of going together forward and a mutual exploration.
Looking at Jamaica's situation, however, he agrees that the establishment of INDECOM has created new challenges.
I can tell you how many JCF officers who've told me that because of INDECOM, they weren't being as aggressive in confronting crimes, that because of INDECOM, they've done this, they've done that. And you can speak to people in INDECOM who say, well, you know, that's natural. That's progress in a way. But you know what? INDECOM cannot exist without the JCF, and the JCF cannot exist without INDECOM.
He also believes that the continued dialogue of fostering healthy community-police relations, starting with the conference, is key. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the conference is timely amidst efforts to strengthen rule of law and protection of human rights and improve citizens' security. He, however, says a balance has to be found to firstly ensure officers won't hesitate to execute their duties to serve and protect.
The personal safety of the officers themselves, that is also achieved. That citizens can trust a system that guarantees that where improper force is suspected, it will be investigated.
The conference seeks to provide a model of collaboration between development partners and stakeholders in law enforcement to rethink strategies based on research to guide evidence-based practical solutions. Herman Green, TVJ News.